Previously, our sailing adventures took us from Cane Garden Bay across the water to a small island just southeast of Jost Van Dyke, where we explored the shoreline and played in the calm, shallow waters surrounding the island. Afterwards, we headed back for our second mooring at Cane Garden Bay. We did some exploring on shore and got a bite to eat at Keto's Gazebo. We never made it to the rum distillery. Perhaps next time.
I'm filming right now. We're looking for a turtle.
He was right here at the boat. He's been playing here all night. He's been in here. Came in last night. Still here.
Might have been checking out that chip in the water right there.
He might have. Is that another chip he threw out there?
Yeah, turtle still chips.
He might. God, where'd he go? What do you know? As soon as you start filming, cooperate. Uncooperative actors. Cue turtle. Aww. Well, we got to swim with some.
I can't tell. I don't know if you can see it from above, but maybe later on when I jump in for my morning swim, I'll get it on camera from underneath.
Sure enough, someone lost their little boat, and it was just sitting there below us. Today we set off early for the long sail from Cane Garden Bay to our final mooring at Great Harbor off Peter Island. Here is our planned route, with smiles at the finish line.
There's Mom, she's driving a boat. We're motoring out of the harbor here at Cane Garden Bay. We stayed here 2 nights because we liked it so much.
Well, we went out and came back.
Yeah.
We didn't just stay.
We went to Sandy Cay as reflected in the sailing log.
Yeah, we did some sailing.
Came back.
Every day. Sailed out, sailed back.
Now it's time to go.
Yep.
So Mom's working on getting her motoring license.
We're headed out and around the tip of Tortola and on to the other side, and we're going to sail across over to St. Peter and stay in the
Great Harbor.
Yeah. Over there for the night, and then that's our plan. It's a long sail, so we'll be sailing all day.
Yeah, pretty much, and the winds are pretty light, so it may be a slow sail, but it's a sailing vessel. We will be sailing.
The winds picked up as soon as we got out of the bay, and it was easy broad reach sail down the coast of Tortola. But as we rounded the corner, the winds were now off our bow and accelerated as they squeezed through the channel. But the sailing was a blast.
So we're hoping this shows up, but there is a house that's sitting up there right off of that cliff. Right? Some brave souls probably hanging on ropes out there. Putting that thing up. That's cool.
We picked up a mooring near the Ocean Beach Club at Great Harbor off Peter Island. Nothing beats a refreshing swim after a long sail. And this guy was cool.
So this is our last stop for heading in tomorrow morning. We are at Peter Island. This is Great Harbor. I'm wishing that I had filmed it earlier for Jackson. That water looks just like the water that our guy jumps off into
Thunder Shark
from our video game. Okay, change positions. Those catamarans are moored so that they can go to a little trail that goes over to the 5-star resort over on the other side in Sprat Bay, I think it is.
It's Friday morning and the last day of our charter. The boat has to be back by noon, but we have to be back much earlier in order to catch the ferry and make our flight, so we're leaving at 6 a.m.
All right, here's our final goodbye. Leaving Great Harbor on St. Peter Island.
That's our morning. It's our last day. We're headed back to base.
Over here we got
Sun.
got the sun coming up, some rain showers over there.
Coming through. Yep.
Right about
There.
there's the rain showers.
At one point we thought we were going to get wet, but they passed right in front of us.
We're headed for Tortola. There's Road Town straight ahead. We are motor sailing. Gonna get there on time. We'll get the mainsail up. Jib is still furled. I'll take that out in just a minute. We've got some good winds.
This is the bitter end.